What's going on, guys? The Clouded Barber back at it with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the JRL 2020C. So I saw Chris Bossio on TOMB45 with this 2020C on his mat with a TOMB45 power clip, and I was like, wait a second, where the heck did you guys even have the power clips for these? I come to find out that they don't, but the skeleton power clip, the Babyliss skeleton power clip does fit the JRL 2020C, but when you put it on straight and you put it down, it won't charge. It'll show that it's charging, but it won't be actually charging. Basically what you have to do is take this off, flip it around, then plug it in, then put it down on the mat. But obviously you can't put it down on the mat like this, right? It won't stay, it'll roll around. This is the part where it's got the flat little thing on it, so it sits flat, right? Can't put it down like this. So basically today in this tutorial, we're gonna be taking apart the JRL 2020C and flipping this charging connector around like this. So instead of having the power clip on like this, we'll be able to put it on like this, sit it down on the mat, and charge it. Without further ado, let's get to the video. I'm gonna show you guys hands-on how to open it up, how to switch this little connector around so you can actually charge this wirelessly with the TOMB45 power clip. Let's get to the video. Alright guys, so back up top, this was basically how to disassemble your JRL 2020Cs and flip that plug upside down so you can fit your TOMB45 power clip right on there, which originally fits the Babyliss FX skeleton, so you can charge your JRLs with no problem whatsoever on the TOMB45 power mat. Alright guys, so if you're successful at doing this, or it was hard, easy, whatever the case is, comment below and let me know if it worked for you, okay? And yeah, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, definitely helps me out, and we'll definitely see you on the next video. Alright guys, stay true, stay healthy, stay safe. We'll see you on the next video.